Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to log in WhatsApp. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into our video. First and foremost, all you need to do is simply tap open your WhatsApp from your home screen, and once you open it, all you need to do is simply tap on the get started button and then tap on the login option. So once you do this, you will end up in this page. So you need to type in your email address and your password of your account and hit the login button. You can even log in with Google, Facebook and your Apple ID. So using any of the method, you can simply get access or log in into your Wise account with quick ease. So by following these steps, you can simply get into your Wise app and start your chores with ease. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.